Windows 11 looked good, but it could have looked so much better. So I redesigned it into what it should have been. Clean glass visuals, modern start menu, refined taskbar, and a smooth file explorer that finally feels premium. But before we get started, only 9% of you people has watched my video and actually subscribed. So if you love clean Windows setups and tools, then hit the subscribe button. It really helps. Well, we will be using a tool called Rainhawk, and it basically lets you customize and tweak Windows into a deeper level without breaking anything. And to get it, you can just head to the official website and download it. Once you have it, you can just open it up, and with this there are a whole lot of mods we can use here to transform our Windows. And the first one I'm going to show you is the Windows 11 Start Menu Styler, and with this one it comes with some new mods which are really going to transform our start menu. And once you have it installed, just head to settings, and here there are few mods we can use over here. Select the ring glass minimal and click on save, and now if I minimize it, you are going to see this new start menu, and it looks straight up clean with this glassy background, and I think it's nice. The next one is also the bigger one over here, and you can choose it and save it too, and it also looks kind of cool, but it's somehow not looking great on my PC, so I'm just going to disable the new start menu and see how it goes. So with this, it looks fresh now, and I think this one is better, so I'll just go with this glassy look. And now let's head back and customize our Windows taskbar, and with that we are going to use Windows 11 taskbar styler. So I'll just click on it and install. Once installed, head to settings, and here we are going to choose window glass, and this one looks beautiful. So when I click on it, you are going to see my taskbar is looking like a glassy look, and this is great. And one thing I like is how if you change the volume, it also shows in a rounded glassy vibe, and this is so great. Now let's head back and install Windows 11 notification center styler to give our quick settings and our notification panel a nice feel. Once installed, head to advanced, and here you are going to see some code over here. Just select everything and clear, and now I've provided a file link in the description below. Just click on it, which is called CQP, and open it up in your notepad. Once you are here, just select everything up and copy, close it up, and now paste it over here. Once you have it here, you can click on save, and wow, if I click on my quick settings, you are going to see this new quick settings, and it looks pretty amazing and beautiful with a glassy slider and a nice looking quick settings buttons, and this is amazing. And now if I click on my notification panel, you are going to see this clean calendar, and I think it looks beautiful. Now head back to the explore tab again. The next mod we are going to install is called resource redirect, and with this we are going to set custom icons for our explorer, and with it, it's pretty cool. So just install it up, and here head to settings, and there are a whole bunch of icon themes over here, but the one I'm going to go for is Linux FS11, and I really love these icons because it looks beautiful. So just click on save and click on yes, which is going to restart our explorer. And now we can close Rainhawk app and open your file explorer, and you are going to see this new icons, and this looks pretty cool. So with this, we can move on to make our Windows Explorer look more nicer. And to do that, you can search in your browser for Explorer Blur Maker, and here click on the GitHub link to take you to the official GitHub page, and here click on release, and now scroll down and click on release.zip to download this file. Once you have it, just open it up, and here you can close the browser. And I'm just going to head to my local Dixie, and once here, create a glass folder and just drag the release inside it. I've already done it, so I'm just going to open it up. And now I have also added a config file over here which you can use, and you can just drag it over here to replace the old one inside it. And I'll just right click on register and run as administrator. Click on run, and now you can just click on OK to restart our Explorer. And once it's done, you can just open your File Explorer and you are going to see this glassy look, and it looks a bit more nicer than the default one. And that's it. This is how Windows 11 25.8.2 should have looked from the start. Clean glass effect and a design that actually feels modern and consistent across everything. If you enjoy this transformation, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and it really helped me keep making videos like this. Let me know what part of this look really amazed you the most, and I've got more Windows customization videos coming soon, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next one.